Buongiorno and welcome in the western part of Imperia. Today we are here to visit an incredible property, a villa that has been built in the early of the 20th century, and the name is Villa Ludovici, that is well known in the local landscape. In the past it was the residence of noble families and merchants, and now it has been completely renovated and divided into several apartments. Today we will visit one of the best apartments of this property. So follow me until the end. We are in the main floor of this property that currently spreads into 3 floors. The entrance floor is below, and this one is the floor that is used as a living area. So we have this spectacular living room with the fireplace and several access to the terrace, to the huge terrace that we will see at the end of this video. And we have the double exposure with north and south. This area is dedicated to the lunch and dinner room, the living area, and a kitchen that is currently divided into this corner kitchen, and this area dedicated for the lunch. It's possible to join them again. Here the relax area with the fireplace that is really suggestive. The atmosphere is really cozy and picturesque with a super character, and it is a well designed and elegant living room. This is the connection between the floors. Upstairs we have a double room that is dedicated to the relax area where it's possible to enjoy a book, and can be dedicated for a playroom for the kids, for example. Instead, below there are the sleeping areas. Now I will show you the bathroom dedicated to the living area, and this one is simply storage. This is the entrance of this apartment. It is the lower floor that is dedicated to the sleeping area, as I said before. This is the entrance that is very nice. Here we have another service space that is a terrace. A tiny bedroom that is dedicated to a relax area with a dedicated, again, terrace onto the sea. The property is well refined, and there are high ceilings and a precise atmosphere in every room. The last part offers one big bedroom with the double door to the sea. It looks like a boat. Black bathroom with a dedicated terrace with a sea view. And finally, another bedroom, probably the main one, with another super view onto the sea. Okay, as promised, we are at the end of this beautiful property, and this is the best that I can offer now. We are in the huge terrace, totally onto the sea. It is amazing. The terrace is divided into 2 parts. This part is dedicated to the part with the oven for the pizza, the BBQ. and where it's possible to eat outside, and I can assure you that is incredible. And the other part that is a little bit higher, where there are super views on the sea. Just see from east to west, with a middle to the historical part of Imperia, the Parazio. Here there is the bicycle and pedestrian pathway that has been recently terminated, and it is possible to reach in bicycle Piano Marina and Ospedaletti. It is incredible. The property is perfectly located. From here it's possible to walk everywhere. There are sandy beaches, the best restaurants, the best bars, and all the amenities. You can reach the sea in less than 2 minutes, and it is a super location when you can forget completely the car. Today I show you a super property, an apartment in an historical villa, Villa Ludovici, that offers, included in the offers, also a little detached garden, a double garage, and more than 200 of square meters of surfaces, where we can find 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and additional living areas, and this incredible terrace with this spectacular view. Check out on our website, you will find all the information about this gem.